Is the Facebook work at home program legit? Is that real? Can you just hang out on Facebook all day and have money in your face? I'm going to go over that in this video. So my guess is you've been to a certain number of sites that look like this. I'm going to flash some sites here, but that tell you that you can earn millions of dollars working at home, working for Facebook or something to that extent, or that Mark Zuckerberg is just handing away money for people to work for Facebook. There's a lot of scams out there, people, and you need to be aware of what's real and what's not. Most of the things you see online, almost everything that you see online about Facebook, working at home with Facebook, will be a scam, okay? Will be a scam. And what they don't tell you is that to really make money with Facebook, you need to have at least 1 million followers on your page. Okay, you need to really have at least 1 million followers to really make a full-time income. I'm going to go over exactly how to make money on Facebook in a second here. I'm going to show you on my computer. But first, I want to tell you what is a scam, and then we'll get into how you can really make money with Facebook. So I've seen a lot of things say that you can make money posting links on Facebook. And while yes, my business is affiliate marketing and it is posting links and earning commissions, that is not Facebook paying you money. So you're not actually working for Facebook if you're posting links on Facebook. That is not Mark Zuckerberg paying you money. Also, if you found some Facebook work at home program through an ad, then it's fake, because Facebook would never advertise any of their work at home programs. Okay, that's another thing they simply do not do. And third off, if you found some sort of program which is making you pay to get some sort of work at home kit to work for Facebook, that is a scam as well, because Facebook would not make you pay them to work for them. Okay, it's just not how it works. So let's go into what is not a scam. Okay, so first off, to give it a little context here, I've made a lot of money using Facebook, but what I do is I buy ads on Facebook. Okay, I've spent millions of dollars. I've actually given Facebook, let's say about $1 million, but I've made back about $3 to $4 million. So I advertise products on Facebook and I get people to buy them. But that's not Facebook paying you money, and that's not what we're going to talk about here, okay? What we're going to talk about is how to actually have Facebook pay you money. Facebook's name is on the checks. Now, on the screen here, I have one of my acquaintances, Rob Dial. Okay, you see, and his channel is on Facebook is Rob Dial Jr. And what you'll see here is I travel the world, I make videos, and I run iTunes motivational podcast. So he has a few different things going on here, but he makes a good amount of money with Facebook, because Facebook will pay him to put ads in the videos he produces. And he produces viral videos. Now what Facebook does is they'll pay him money to put ads in the videos he puts online. So you see he has a lot of popular videos. This video got 49 million views on Facebook. Now he has 1.4 million followers on Facebook. And what I'd kind of advise to you is, if you are just looking to create a business around getting money from ads that Facebook posts on your videos, a full-time income of $10,000 a month, you'll need to have roughly 1 million subscribers, okay? You'll need to have roughly 1 million followers to make $10,000 per month using Facebook's ad revenue. Now, the way you make it is called the audience network, okay? We see audience network by Facebook. And the audience network is, they deliver ads for you. Again, they're cutting all the deals with the advertisers, all the stuff, and they're just putting ads on your videos. And they explain all this on facebook.com/audience network. Okay, they put ads on mobile devices, everything. So That's a good idea. But again, to do that, to have the full-time income, you need to have a lot of followers. So it's not an instant thing. It takes a lot of work. Rob, for instance, works very hard to create, and he's an extremely creative person, to create these videos that are going, that are so popular. And also keep in mind, he has multiple streams of income. He has a lot of different, he is also the top motivational podcast on Apple. He has, he has a lot of things going for him. He has other products and services he offers to people. It's not just ad revenue for him. But that gives you an idea of what it takes to actually make money from Facebook. Now, in regards to me, what I do, kind of backing up to that, is what I did to make money is I used Facebook connects with over 1 billion people, or maybe it's 2 billion people now all over the world. And I used it to, I paid Facebook to put ads on there, and I used Facebook to target ads, and sell products to specific groups of people. And I just, I got good at marketing, which is basically sales. And I would buy their ads, and I'd hope that if I spent $100 in advertising on Facebook, that I would make $200 back. And that's the business I'm in, and that's actually the average return. It's a 50%, margin that most affiliate marketers see. If you want to learn more about how I buy ads on Facebook and use them to get in front of people and sell products to them, you can sign up for my free training, which is in the description somewhere, something like that. So make sure you like this video if you got something from this, and leave a message in the comments of what you found the most interesting or what helped you out the most. That, just understanding that most of the things are scams, or understanding there are certain ways to kind of make money either with Facebook or utilizing, Facebook products. Let me know in the comments. Make sure to subscribe if you'd like to see more videos on just how you can make money online. And if you'd like to learn how I made this, massive stack of cash in front of you, make sure to check out my free training.